Post-construction termite treatment for detached wood structures needs to include fences, decks, sheds, and other outbuildings because they are common infestation sources. Treating these structures starts with a systematic inspection. Look for mud tubes, blistered or hollow-sounding wood, and frass near connections to the ground. For spot treatments, Borate products are excellent for exposed, dry wood. Mix and apply per label with a brush or low-pressure sprayer and let the product soak in until the wood is fully saturated but not dripping. For ground contact points like fence posts, use topical termiticides labeled for soil treatment around the post hole and backfill so the chemical forms a continuous barrier. Where possible, replace non-treated posts with ground contact treated posts to reduce future risk. For decks and sheds with hidden or internal damage, remove trim or access panels and inject labeled foam or liquid termiticide into voids following the product instructions and safety precautions. Monitor detached structures separately from the main house by setting up regular quarterly inspections and using simple devices such as wooden monitoring stakes or above-ground bait stations according to manufacturer guidance. When structural members are severely infested or compromised, cut out and replace those sections with preservative-treated lumber and treat adjacent areas to prevent recolonization. Common mistakes start with treating only the house and ignoring outbuildings, which leaves ongoing sources of reinfestation. The remedy is to include all detached wood structures in the post-construction plan and record treatment dates and locations. Another frequent error is applying surface coatings only without addressing soil contact points. Protect posts by replacing them with ground contact treated posts or apply labeled soil termiticides around the post holes. A third issue is relying on cosmetic fixes when structural members are hollowed or soft. Remove and replace damaged members and then treat surrounding wood to stop residual colonies. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for work on decks, fences, sheds, and termite treatments. We also help contractors find projects and grow their business, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.